All right, so this is, I guess it could be described as a folio folder. And I made it using Joey Cardmaker's freebie that he offered on his Ko-fi page, and it's called Purple Passion. I have the first page of it. Joey Cardmaker, Purple Passion mashup papers. I've got a bit of it out and used it in the journal, but you can see the main images, the people, butterflies, and some examples of the beautiful papers that are in this freebie digital. So this is the cover, and I always leave the cover to the end because I don't know exactly how I'm going to use this journal. If I'm going to give it to somebody, if I'm going to use it myself, and I prefer to decorate the cover when I know more about that. So I've left it blank using one of the pages from the digital. And this is not part of the digital. I don't really remember where I got it from, but I printed it when my ink was low. So it came out this really weird lavendery kind of color. And I wasn't sure what to do with it, but it really worked with this Purple Passion kit. So I included it in here and made a pocket out of it, and I cut out one of the images and put that there. And this is also from the digital. This is one of the beautiful papers in this kit, and I loved it so much I actually used it twice in this journal. It's my favorite. The flowers are just so beautiful. And I made a little journaling card out of this paint chip sample. We don't have these in Korea. We can't find them. And so somebody had sent me a few knowing that. And I've held on to it for a few years now. And when I saw the colors of this journal, I knew that I was saving it for this journal. So these butterflies are from the kit as well. I just fussy cut them. This paper is from the kit, and even this is one of the backgrounds of the images that I had cut out, and so I just saved that little piece of scrap and added that there. This is from a media, mixed media paper swap that Rose Mario on Instagram organized, and that's one of the painted papers that I received in that swap. It reminded me of like a calligraphy Asian painting, sort of like grass or iris or something like that. So I thought it looked nice. This is a bingo card that someone sent me. She sent me a bunch of them in different colors, and I wasn't sure what to do with them. And of course, it's just perfect for this purple project. So I added some lace because, you know, it's sort of romantic, the couple looking at each other. I backed it with beautiful decorated paper that I received from Rose Mario in that paper swap. So this is an envelope, and I had it there just so you could have an extra journaling spot in there. And this is I covered it up with paper from the kit, and this is also paper from the kit. The ticket, I think, is from Tim Holtz, but these two are from the kit as well. So this, I thought that I needed to add more purple to it, but I just thought it was so beautiful, so romantic as it was, with just the lace and this beautiful image. So I left it like that, and I kind of like it because you've got the lighter on this side and the darker on this side, sort of mirroring the images of the lady and the gentleman there. And so the flap of the envelope, I glued it here and here to create a belly band. And this is just graphic 45 scrap paper that I had, and I put some of the a scrap from the Purple Passion kit on there. It's sort of like a bookmark of sorts. These hydrangeas I cut out, fussy cut from Joey's kit, and of course this beautiful paper, just all so gorgeous. So I created a little flap. I think this is a journaling card from Prima. And it's a little flap for more writing space. And I added some lace on the edge here. And this is a window envelope. I think it was like a bank statement. And I added this journaling card tag, and this is not from the kit, but I thought the color was perfect. This is from the kit, and of course this image is from the kit. And I like how when you put the tag in, it's as if the lady and the gentleman are looking into each other's eyes of sorts. All these beautiful papers are from the kit. This one is from Joey Cardmaker, but it's from a different kit, but the colors worked well, so I added it. This is also available as a freebie on his Ko-fi page. So I decorated the back of the envelope, so there's extra journaling space there. And this is just a flap. This is from the kit. I fussy cut it and added it there. This is not from the kit. I was playing around with the jelly plate, and the colors just worked with this, I thought, so it was perfect. This is a graphic 45. The colors worked. And this is my favorite page. I think if I used this, I wouldn't even journal it or cover it with a photo, because I would just want to look at this beautiful floral image. So just added, and this is not from the Purple Passion kit. It's from another kit from Joey, but it's very, I think it's the same lady here, sort of similar. Oh, sorry, similar. So I thought it worked well. So just tag that there. This is an envelope, so I stuck the flap of the envelope underneath here, and I opened it up. You can see the original envelope would have been like this, so you put the letter in here, but I opened it up so it would just be all this journaling space. This is from the Purple Passion kit, and there's more journaling space there. So for the last page of the folio, I created a flap on this side so it opens up like that. So on this side is a glassine envelope that I stamped and added the trim and the butterfly. This is graphic 45. And then, so made this pocket from Book Page, and these are all little images from Joey's kit that I just fussy cut out. And I added 2 tags. This one has a fussy cut image of the girl, and this is from his title page. I just cut it out and add it there so I'd always remember that it was part of Joey Cardmaker's mashup. And this was given to me by a crafting friend, and I think she used alcohol inks or mica ink. I'm not really sure. It's beautiful. And I thought it looked perfect there. So there you go. That's it. And that's the back page. I absolutely adore this kit, and I think I'm gonna have to print out multiple copies and have them on hand with all the projects that I do. They're just beautiful. Anyway, I really love this. I'm not sure if I'm gonna give it to somebody as a gift or if I'm gonna hold on to it and use it for myself. So these are all my sewn edges. I learned a lot from Gail Agostinelli's YouTube channel, and she always leaves them hanging, and I really like that as well. And if it bothers the person who ends up getting this, they can just trim it. And if I use it, I'll just leave them hanging there like that. It's kind of fun. There we go. That's it.